Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Rakaya, and today y'all we are cooking. Yes, your girl recently ran across a TikTok recipe that looked so good. When I first ran past this recipe, y'all, like my mouth was literally watering. I was like, yes, absolutely, sign me up. I am making that. So yeah, I am cooking that for dinner tonight, and basically what it is it is a creamy Tuscan pasta. The only thing that I'm doing different with this recipe is I'm adding fish to the recipe because I feel like, why not? Like, you can never go wrong with adding fish to your pasta or shrimp to your pasta. So, you know, that's what I'm going to do. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video because your girl is hungry and I'm ready to eat. So let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, my salmon is already laid out and ready to go. I have already cleaned my fish as well as patted it dry. So now I'm just gonna get ready to season it. I have all my seasonings right here. I have some Cajun seasoning, some crushed red pepper, parsley, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, as well as garlic salt. And then I have some black pepper as well back here in the back. So I'm gonna go ahead and season the fish and we're gonna get started.
Get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move.
So right now, y'all, I just turned on my stove and I'm getting ready to add some can't believe it's not butter into the pan so that I can go ahead and add the fish to start frying. And I normally don't use that much of this. I just take a little bit and then just drop it in the skillet, and then I'll just kind of like move that around so that the pan is nice and oily. And I mean, you can use oil for this step as well. I just personally always go to the can't believe it's not butter because I like the way it makes my salmon taste as well as how it fries it.
Make a move.
As you guys can see, the water is boiling, so I'm going to add my fettuccine pasta noodles to the water, and these normally take about 10 to 12 minutes to cook.
Make a move. It's gonna be long.
Okay y'all, so the salmon is almost done and it's smelling so good. Like, I wish y'all can smell through the camera because it smells amazing. I'm just waiting on the noodles to finish cooking up, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on the sauce, which is probably the easiest part. So yeah. So So now it's time to make the sauce, y'all, which is really simple. To start off, I've already buttered my pan, and then I'm just gonna throw in some minced garlic as well as some sun-dried tomatoes, and we're gonna bring that to a simmer. Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna go ahead and add the heavy whipping cream to the pan that has the sun-dried tomatoes and the mixed garlic, so that we can go ahead and start whipping up the sauce. Okay, so this is what the sauce is looking like now. I went ahead and seasoned it and just added spinach to it. I really just throw as much spinach as I want to throw in here. I don't, measure it out because, when you cook spinach, it gets smaller. So, I just took about maybe a handful and a half and added it to the sauce. And now I'm going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese to it as well. Okay guys, so it is all finished. This is the creamy Tuscan pasta with the salmon, and it looks so good. It smells so good, y'all. I'm definitely about to dive into this food. I just poured me a glass of wine, and yeah, I'm about to try to find something to watch on Netflix and chill out. So thanks so much for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, comment down below what you guys would like to see me cook next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.